Hi guys, welcome to Kenny Bland Auctions again. Gonna do a little inspection video for this saw. It's a Craftsman 20-inch bar chainsaw. It sells in our Tuesday, September the 3rd online auction, kennyblandauctions.com or kennyblandauctions.highbid.com. I'm just gonna start it up and let's just see what we got here. This saw is in a Poulan case. There is some oil in the bottom of the case, probably leaked out of the bar oil chamber. It says anti-vibration handle. Again, this got a 20-inch bar on it, and it sells in our Tuesday, September 3rd auction. Thank you.